The core question: does Assurance Wireless work with Verizon? The answer is no. As of 2025, Assurance Wireless exclusively operates on T-Mobile's network. This shift occurred because their partnership with Verizon ended in 2024. Verizon decided not to renew Lifeline contracts, including Assurance Wireless, pushing them to fully migrate to T-Mobile. If you have Assurance Wireless, your service runs on T-Mobile's towers, not Verizon's. Assurance Wireless's move to T-Mobile offers widespread 5G coverage, but means Verizon-locked phones won't work unless unlocked. The transition ensures service continuity as mandated by the FCC. While most users experienced a seamless switch, some in rural areas with weaker T-Mobile coverage reported issues. The shift aligns with industry trends of MVNOs consolidating on fewer networks as major carriers focus on their own prepaid brands. This change has saved Assurance Wireless money and positioned them well for the future.